Welcome guys to my new video. Today I want to show you how you can easily fix button issues. I was asked in the comment section, Father Joe, please show us how to fix button issue. Today's video I'll be showing you how to fix button issues. Very simple. Right here you can see these buttons are not working. All of them, exception of the power on button, all of them are not working. So today's video I'll be showing you how to fix it step by step. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you understand every process, everything I will do. So without time wasted, let me start the video. Engineers, right now you can see I'm trying to click the button to prove to you that it's not working. Check this out. You can see it's not working. This is the power button. It's not working, it's not cancelling anything. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. So what I will do now, I'll remove the battery. The next thing is for me to remove the panel from the case. So take time to do this, engineers. Make sure you open it through the lock place. Engineers, the next thing is for me to brush the panel. It is very, very important that you should brush the panel, right? You can see that there are dust, rust on this panel. Before you do that, I recommend removing the mic face. It is very, very important. Engineers, check this out. Make sure you first of all remove the mic. It is very, very important so that whenever you're brushing, you're putting your chemical, it will not spoil the mic. It is very important you remove the mic. The next thing now is for you to brush it, so take time to do this, engineers. Make sure you brush it very, very well. Put enough chemical. Put enough chemical to brush it. Engineers, this is what I'm talking about. Check this out. Engineers, take time to pour the chemical inside of it. Pour the chemical inside the heatsink. Pour the chemical inside the heatsink. Engineers, the next thing is for you to brush it. Make sure you take your time to brush it. Check this out, engineers. You can see the chemical inside the heatsink. You can see the chemical is floating everywhere. So make sure you take your time to brush it. Brush till the panel is clean. Take time to brush till the panel is clean. You want to make sure that you're doing a great job for your customer so that your customer will not complain any button issue again. Check this out, engineers. You can see I turn this side to brush also. So take time to do this. Make sure you put enough chemical. It is important you put enough chemical. Please take time to do it. Engineers, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section if you have. Check this out, engineers. Check this out. I'm done with the brushing. The next thing is making sure I dry all the chemicals. It is important that you dry all the chemical first before you do any other thing. I mean testing the phone whether it works or not working. So I'm going to turn on my hot air machine, then start blowing. Engineers, feel free to ask me any question in the comment section if you have. Feel free to ask me any question if you have. Make sure you dry the chemical first. It is important you dry the chemical. Check this out. As you can see, I'm drying my chemical. Engineers, no rushing. If you have question, you can let me know. I'll be done. Okay, I'm done. Let me turn the other side. Let me turn the other side so that I will dry too. Engineers, if you have question, let me know in the comment section if you have. Take time to do it. The next thing is for me to test it to see if it will work. Check this out, engineers. So let me test it. So let me put battery now. Check this out, engineers. If you have question, let me know in the comment section if you have. So let me turn on the phone. Let me turn on the phone now to see if it will work. If not working, I will try another method. I have so many methods to fix this kind of issue. This kind of issue is very, very simple. Engineers, you can see that the phone is delaying to boot. That means the button is still disturbing. The button is not still working. Anyway, let me turn on the phone first. You can see it's still taking time to boot. Still taking time to boot. That means the button is still stopping. Okay, let me click to see if it will work. You can see it's not working. It's not working. The owner is sitting there waiting for me. I've wasted 5 minutes now without fixing this issue. Anyway, guys, let me start real troubleshooting. Let me start real troubleshooting. So the first thing I will do here is for me to test all the buttons to be sure none of them is connected to the ground. It is very, very important you test to be sure none of them is connected to the ground. So check this out, engineers. Check this out. I start checking each of the buttons to be sure none of them is connected to the ground. Right here, this is power on button. So the negative side is the ground. So that one is exception. That one is normal ground. So every other one should not be ground. You can see none of them are reading to ground, which means it is not short. It is not connected to ground. It is not short. It is not short. So this problem is from the IC. So I need to make sure I remove the heatsink. Then I heat the IC very well. I put paste. I brush everything. I take time to do. You can see I'm testing capacitors to be sure it is not also from the capacitors. Engineers, it is important you check all of this to be sure it is not from these capacitors or any other components. So I take time and I remove the panel from the casing. The next thing now is for me to remove the heatsink. So let me show you how to do that. So I first of all tie the panel to my phone holder. Engineer, so the next thing is for me to apply my liquid lead paste around the heatsink. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you doing this? I'm doing this because I want the heatsink to be removed easily. If you apply lead like this around the heatsink, I don't mean much, just small around the heatsink. When you apply heat from your workstation, the heat will melt the lead and it will be very, very easy for the heatsink to be removed. And I will show you here live what I'm saying. Engineers, check this out. Here we go. Check this out. Let me start heating now for you guys to see. You can see, check this out. You can see the lead is melting. Engineers, check this out. Make sure you take time to do it. Check this out. Engineers, so let me apply another liquid lead paste. Check this out. So you can see I'm blowing. I'll be done. Check this out, engineers. I will be done. Engineers, it's very simple. I will be done. No time wasted. If you have questions, ask me in the comment section. If you have, you can see I will be done. It's very simple. Engineers, check this out. I'm done. I'm done, engineers. If you have questions, feel free to let me know. You can see the board. You can see that it is very, very dirty. It is very, very dirty. It's rusted, and you can see some things inside, dust, rust. So I need to clean it. So I use my chemical to carefully clean it. So this is the reason why this phone was hanging. This phone was not clicking any button. So now this phone will work. I've seen the problem of this phone now. Even after putting enough chemical, before it was not working. So now I'm going to fix the issue live and direct now. Feel free to let me know if you have any question. So take time to clean it. Take time to clean it, engineers. Take time to clean it, no rushing. Take time to clean it. Engineers, the next thing is for me to apply paste. After applying the paste, I heat the IC very well. And make sure I blow it very well. I take my time to blow. I blow around the edges. I take time to blow because I want the paste to get inside, to make sure all of those dead dust is out. So take time to do it. And guys, I'm done. So let me brush it. Engineers, let me take time to brush it. It is very, very important you take time to brush it. You clean all the dust, clean it, dates. Make sure you take time to clean it. Engineers, check this out. So let me test it now to see if it will work. Okay, you can see now the phone boots very, very fast. You can see that it is working. You can see it is working. So engineers, always check. Take time to troubleshoot. You can see, let me press all the buttons. You can see all the buttons are now working. The phone is working perfectly. Let me turn on flashlights and let me off. Everything is working now, guys. So the next thing now is for me to couple the phone. But before I couple, let me put the heatsink back. Check this out, engineers. Let me put the heatsink back. I recommend you put the heatsink. It's very, very important so that whenever the owner tries to pack the battery of the phone, so that it will not disturb the IC. So I take my time to lead it. Engineers, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section if you have. If you're watching me from Facebook, make sure you follow me. If you're watching me from YouTube, subscribe. From TikTok, follow. Drop me a question if you have. Take your time to do this. Make sure just put a little lid to hold the heatsink, and that's all. Take time to do this, engineers. No rushing. I'll be done. The owner of this phone is sitting there waiting for me. Guys, I will be done. So let me fix the phone now. Engineers, feel free to let me know what you think about this video. Feel free to let me know. Take time to fix the mic. Check this out. Fix it very well. You want to make sure everything is set, is good. Take time to do this, engineers. The next thing is for you to clean the buttons area. Make sure you take your time to clean it very well with your chemical. Take time to clean it very well. The next thing now is for you to put gum. Check this out. Make sure you take your time to do this, because any mistake, the gum can leak to one or two buttons that can stop the button not to click. So take time to do this, engineers. Take time to do this. No rushing. Please let me know what you think about this video. The next thing is for you to put this. Make sure you place it very well. Engineers, I'm done. So let me put battery now and turn on the phone. Check this out. Engineers. You can see it works 100%. So let me know what you think about this video. If you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. You can see all the buttons works. Now the phone is working perfectly. Let me know what you think about this video. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye for now. Make sure you follow me, subscribe, share my video, and bye bye for now. Check this out. The touch is working. Everything is working. Check this out, engineers. Bye bye for now. I love you all.